Look at my little contraption. Just to get that push start button out. Because it's black on black on black on black. And the fucking car is black. So, let's start here for the push start button. Screw right there. Behind handle number 1. After I take this thing off, let me show you. It goes behind this rubber. The rubber right here. Okay? Leave the rubber. But you do need something like this to go in between the crack, or something a little smaller like this to start the crack. And you have clip, 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 clip. 1 screw out. Another screw right here behind this little panel. But to make matters so much easier, pull that screen out. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Now let me show you where to start. This starts as you pull this up, it's overlapping right here. So that means this was in my way. This had its little alien head on it, and this has to separate as well. So this pulls away from this bottom part. Now, revealing 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. But do not do what I did with this car's already totaled. So I'll show you. Okay, get that out of our way. This had a clip, literally broke right in front of my face because you have so many. I don't even understand why. Look at this. Guide, ping, pong, and broke. That is right here. Do you need it? No. No way, dude. No way. Look. Why is it even here? Look. So get this out of your way. Revealing this one. Another overlap right here in the corner. So I use my handy dandy little white tool. This thing's kind of broken, but you can get something better. Revealing another 7mm. So we got 7mm, another 7mm. Pop this up out of your way. Okay, and then you have another 7mm, 7mm all the way in the bottom that was hidden, and another 7mm right here. And then pull upward. Because now you reveal another screw. Thank you. Thank you, Chevy. Look at this. Another screw right there. Then that pulls out with Mr. Clip. Mr. Clip. 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 Another clip. And then let's get this out in our hands. See? Clip right there. Clip right there. And there you go. Now this car is not running at the moment because we have airbags deployed. So let's unplug this thing and show you. Got a wonderful red clip again. See? Squeeze and pull it out. Don't fall, you. Look at this. Part number? And we'll put it back. Upside down. So you got the idea. Now you gotta put all this back because you had to take all this apart to put it back together. Put the guides in first, and then put it back. And now you put it all back, just snap it all back into place. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Don't forget the screws, yeah. Thanks for watching.